Hey up, welcome to A Up Cards and Crafts. Today I want to make a book using the new Minc Cinch from We Are Makers. It laminates, it foils and it binds, all on one machine. To foil, I need to press the lamination foil button 3 times. It takes 5 minutes to heat up. This is what I'm going to use as the front cover of my book. This has been printed using a toner printer. You'll also need some reactive foil. This one's from Heidi Swap. I just need to cut it down to the correct size. It says in the book that it's for the best results to cut it 1/4 inch larger than the actual design. You'll also need the carrier sheet. I'm using the one that came with the machine. Face the foil and the design into the carrier sheet. It's a good idea to use a brush to remove any dust particles from the design and from the foil. Face the foil and the design into the carrier sheet, making sure that there's no wrinkles or anything like that. When the light has stopped flashing and it turns red, it means the machine is ready. So run the carrier sheet through the machine. I've speeded this up quite a lot. It is quite slow. Remove the design from the carrier sheet and let it cool down a bit. Then gently pull back the foil from your design. Wow, that's turned out lovely. That's good. Looks well nice. Now it's ready to laminate, so need to press the laminate foil button twice. It takes 3 to 5 minutes to heat up. To laminate, you'll need a laminating pouch. Open up and put your foil design inside and insert it into the machine. Again, I've speeded this up because it is quite slow. I've also done a cover for the back of the book. I've not bothered foiling this or anything, I'm just going to laminate it. The machine also does code laminating. You'd use this for delicate photos, sonograph photos, things like that. Okay, that's both my covers done. Just need to trim it down to size. I'll just use a punch on the corner just to make them rounded a bit. To bind your book, you're going to need a spine. I've just made this one on the quick cut, but you can buy them. You'll also need some spine glue strips. These come in different sizes, and you'll be able to buy these from the We Are Makers website. These come in 3 different sizes. You get 30 number at 6.5mm, 30 number at 12mm, and 15 number at 25mm. To make the spine, use some double-sided tape. This will secure the front and back covers. Cut down to size the spine glue and remove the tape, then stick down into the centre of your spine. Remove one side of the double-sided tape and place the back cover onto it. Press down firmly and then do the same with the front cover. Remove the double-sided tape and place the front cover onto it. I've used a couple of bulldog clips. This is just to make sure that the pages don't move. You need to make sure that the inside pages are touching the glue strip. To bind, you need to press the bind button. It takes 3 minutes to heat up. Once it's ready, place the book so the spine is facing down and press the timer. The book will take 1 minute. When the book's ready, remove it from the machine. It's a good idea to slide the book on your table just to make sure all the glue is stuck. Then put that one to one side. I'm just going to make another one. Just a quick book with no foiling or laminating. So stick the spine to the paper and put the book in the machine and press the timer. Here is the book I made first. All the pages are stuck, nothing are falling out or anything. I'm quite impressed with it. Again, I'm just going to rub the spine along the desk just to make sure that all the glue is stuck. And then here's the other one. Thank you for watching. See ya. Ta-ra.